Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayastro Guru. In today's update, we're diving into the latest developments in the copper market and other key metals as of September 9th. Copper prices experienced a decline on Monday, reflecting growing concerns about the US economy's health. The 3-month copper contract on the London Metal Exchange, LME, fell by 0.5%, settling at $8,951 per metric ton. This drop follows a notable 2.6% decrease last week, which marked the largest weekly decline since July. Similarly, the October copper contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, decreased by 1.2%, trading at 71,720 yuan, or approximately $10,091.89 per ton. The dip in copper prices comes in the wake of Friday's US jobs report, which revealed weaker than expected labor market data. This has raised fresh concerns about the US economy's trajectory, particularly its ability to achieve a soft landing. As a result, risk assets like copper have faced selling pressure, given copper's status as a key economic indicator. Despite the disappointing jobs report, there is still anticipation in the market that the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates in September. However, the specifics of the rate cuts remain uncertain, leading to a cautious outlook among investors. Attention will now shift to upcoming data, especially trade figures from China, the world's largest metal consumer, which could offer further insights into market trends. Turning to other metals, the LME nickel price saw a slight increase of 0.3%, reaching $15,935 per ton. On the other hand, lead decreased by 0.2% to $1,959.50, aluminum slid by 0.5% to $2,331, zinc fell by 0.4% to $2,707, and tin dropped by 1.8% to $30,470. On the SHFE, aluminum fell by 0.9% to 19,110 yuan per ton, nickel dropped by 1% to 122,530 yuan, zinc eased by 0.4% to 22,660 yuan, lead fell by 2.1% to 16,545 yuan, and tin decreased by 0.7% to 248,380 yuan. That's all for today's update on copper and other metals. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis right here on Ajayastro Guru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.